Garlic benefits and side effects. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about garlic health benefits and side effects. It's essential to note that while garlic offers numerous health benefits, individual reactions can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Nutritional value of garlic. 1. Calories, approximately 149 calories per 100 grams of fresh garlic. 2. Water content, fresh garlic has about 58.6 grams of water per 100 grams of garlic. 3. Carbohydrates, around 33.1 grams per 100 grams of raw garlic. 4. Protein, about 6.36 grams per 100 grams of garlic. 5. Fiber, about 2.1 grams of fiber per 100 grams of garlic. 6. Vitamins, 100 grams of garlic contains vitamin C 31.2 milligrams, vitamin B6 1.24 milligrams, and vitamin K 1.7 micrograms. 7. Minerals, garlic contains potassium, phosphorus, calcium and magnesium in higher quantities in range of 25 mg to 401 mg, while other minerals are in trace amounts especially zinc, copper, selenium and manganese. Garlic benefits. 1. Heart health, garlic is known to improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Antioxidant properties, garlic contains antioxidants that help protect cells from free radicals damage and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. 3. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties, garlic contains allicin, agenes, and allyl sulfides, which have antibacterial properties. Erubicide B, also present in garlic, has antifungal activity against fungus, Candida albicans. Garlic-derived chemicals including agene, alitridin, and diallyl sulfide have reported antiviral properties. Hence, overall garlic has antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help fight off infections. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects, garlic may help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis. 5. Improved blood sugar levels, garlic has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. 6. Detoxification, garlic supports liver function and helps the body detoxify from heavy metals. 7. Improves digestive health, it can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and improve digestion. 8. Anticancerous properties, garlic extract contains chemicals that have anticancerous properties. The inclusion of garlic in the daily diet prevents the risk of cancer. Side effects of garlic. 1. Bad breath and body odor, consuming garlic can cause a strong and persistent odor on the breath and skin. 2. Digestive issues, some people may experience upset stomach, heartburn, or diarrhea from eating raw garlic. Gastroesophageal reflux disease may also get worsened by using high amounts of garlic regularly. 3. Skin reactions, garlic can cause skin irritation or even allergic reactions in some individuals. 4. Interactions with medications, garlic supplements may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and some HIV/AIDS medications. 5. Risk of bleeding, garlic may increase the risk of bleeding, especially if consumed in large amounts or alongside blood-thinning medications. 6. Gastrointestinal disorders, in rare cases, excessive consumption of garlic could exacerbate symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders like irritable bowel syndrome. It's essential to use garlic cautiously and in moderation, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Consulting with a healthcare professional before using garlic and garlic-based supplement regimen is advisable to minimize potential risks and ensure safety. Thank you for watching this video.